Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So at first, enroll settings, then find and select apps, enroll app management, and here you've got all apps that you've got on your device. To speed up your device by clearing cache, you need to go app by app, starting with those that you use most frequently, or just go alphabetically, however you prefer. And just pick the app, enter storage usage, and here you will notice clear cache. Just mark it, and as you can see, it has been cleaned. And just go with all apps of yours. Not all of them will have cache to be cleaned. You just skip those that has nothing to be cleaned, but with the rest just open storage usage and clear cache. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.